Good morning, peoples. Good morning. What's up? What's up? How's it going? Good afternoon, good evening, good night, good whatever the hell it is, whatever time of day it is anywhere on earth. But, anyways, good flippin' evening or morning or whatever. I mean, here it's kind of evening, but yeah, drinking some yerba mate, some South American tea drink. It's pretty good, pretty healthy. But anyways, this is not financial advice. I'm gonna flip this to the stock market. We'll see what the stock market is doing. See what it's up to. Finally got to go live. Hell yeah. Hey there, Tommy Hawk. How's it going, man? How's it going? Glad you made it over here. Hell yeah. Hey there, Water Buffalo. What's up? What's up, man? How's it going? Hopefully y'all winning like crazy today. Hopefully y'all winning. I'm not winning too much, but the portfolio is up a tiny bit today, which is kind of better than nothing, I guess. So today it's up $2,961. So I guess better than being down for a while. So I did put on another hedge. You know the AGQ, the down position that I got? I put another hedge on this one right here. So if you click on it, like right now it says 195, it's up. If I simulate it, it's up $200. So like I'm hedging that loser position that I got, short-term loser, doing a poor man's covered call or a PMCC or a diagonal, whatever you guys want to call it. But I'm doing another one of these, hopefully trying to collect some money while I'm trying to wait for that thing to recover a little bit. So we'll see how that plays out. Hey there, LB, how's it going, man? XRP, like I don't have much of XRP, but I hope it looks like it's moving up. Hopefully it'll move up some more. But yeah, it's working its way up. Like I don't got a lot of it, but yeah, it's doing pretty good. Hopefully it keeps on going up. Hell yeah. I don't know if it's gonna go to $25. I don't think so, but who knows? I don't think it's gonna reach $25. But anything could happen though. Oh man. But yeah, things are kind of crazy a little bit. Kind of sort of halfway crazy a little bit. I might maybe, let's see, maybe add some Bitcoin potentially. Let's see, BITC. Maybe I might add some of that because I don't have too much of that since it's going up. Might be a good time to potentially dollar cost average, but I'm not sure. I'll throw the paper and see what the paper says. If the paper allows me to get some, I might get some. If not, then not. I'll see what the paper says. Kind of sort of halfway see what the paper says. Let's see. Should I flip and buy some Bitcoin? What does the paper say? What does the paper flipping think? Should I DCA into Bitcoin at the moment? Let's see. Okay, so it says no at the moment. Oh well, maybe I could DCA in a different crypto. A different crypto that might go up faster. Maybe, potentially. Maybe kind of sort of halfway, potentially. Oh man. Let me see some other random crypto that I got. Let's see, which one should I check out? I checked out XRP. Maybe let's see, the squirrel thingy. Let's see what that looks like. So I got very little bit of that one, but it is moving up. So maybe I'll ask the paper, or maybe I'll add a little bit, $1, and then I'll ask the paper if I should get some more. Okay, and then I'll ask the paper, should I feed the Peanut the cyber squirrel? Let's see what it says. Should I feed Peanut the cyber squirrel? Let's see what it says. Okay, so I guess it wants me to feed that one some more because it said yes. I guess it kind of sort of halfway is what it is. I got to feed it a tiny bit, although I just tossed it a bone. I guess I got to toss it another bone. It kind of sort of halfway is what it is, I guess. Kind of sort of halfway is what it is. I'll toss it a couple bones just in case. Kind of sort of halfway just in case. See what happens. Oops, didn't mean to click on this thingy here. Okay, let's see what else here. What else? SoFi is kind of moving up. That's good. It got all the way up to $29.32. So whatever my position I got in it, it's kind of starting to do a little bit better, climbing up. Also with the leaps calls, hopefully it'll keep on doing that. Hopefully keeps on going up. The Vitus thingy is going up, so that's good. I got the cash secured puts on these. Hopefully it keeps on pushing up. That'll be nice. That'll be pretty nice, because let's see, if I look at the Novitis thingy, see where it's sitting at. Right here, NVTS. Well, XCN up 53%. Oh wow, that really 53%? That's crazy. Wow, WLFI, I could check that one out. But yeah, XCN up 53%. That's crazy. Hey there, Power Stroke. How's it going, man? How's it going? Oh, DVLT up again today? Wow, that's crazy. I don't think I'm in that one right now, but that's pretty cool. That's crazy. Let's see. WLFI. Let's check WLFI. Oh, World Liberty Crypto. I see. I see. So I don't have too much in this one, but I might add a little bit to it. Maybe add a couple dollars to that thingy just in case. I think it won't hurt a tiny bit. Okay, so let's see the XCN. Let's check out XCN. XCN. So is that thing up quite a bit? Like you're saying 53%? Yeah, right. At the moment it says 50.85%. Yeah, it's up quite a bit. That's crazy. And I only had $1 invested in it. If I had more, I would have made more, but like I got almost nothing in it. That's funny. Well, I guess since it's up, I could sell all of it potentially, right? Collect at least a tiny bit of profit. There you go. Maybe it might continue moving up a little bit, but I might add it more in a dip. DVLT. Let's check out DVLT. So DVLT, it's up also quite a bit. Wow, 42.08%. That's pretty decent. For the week, up 147. 1 month is down. 3 months is down. Year to date, it's up 73. 1 year is down 39. So it's kind of like a interesting moving stock. But yeah, just recently did move quite a bit up. That's pretty crazy. Might as well. I know, right there in Water Buffalo. Hey there, Water Buffalo. Are you doing any of the futures gold trades today, or are you not doing that at the moment? I'm not in any of the gold trades right now, but I'll see if I'll get in or not. But yeah, this thing like went up quite a bit. Like I don't have it right now, but might as well. I don't know. We'll see what it does, I guess. DVLT. I don't know if I have it on my watch list. Let me see. DVLT. Yeah, I do have it on my watch list. But I think right now it's kind of high to potentially add some more, although anything could happen. Because it still has a chance to move up some more, but more likely potentially that is going to go down because it moved up so much. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. Kind of flipping crazy. Let's see where NVIDIA is at. NVIDIA. Okay, that's my call that I got. So obviously I'm down on that one. So today it's down a little bit. Overnight it's up a little bit. So it's kind of hovering around that price area, 188, 189, 190. Not too bad. Let's see. Let's check out Lyft. I might get in one. Might get in one. Let me look at the charts. Oh, okay, okay. Cool, cool. Alrighty. So let's see, simulate this thingy. So this thing's down at the moment a little bit, but I'm still bullish on it. Eventually, I think it's probably gonna go up. Not financial advice or anything. Let's check out this one. So this one moved up a little bit, down at the moment still. Let's see the silver deal thingy. So that one's did move up quite a bit today. Up after hours a tiny bit. So that's pretty cool. That's nice. Alrighty, let's see. maybe I should check out the some of the cryptos that I got, see which ones I could potentially either add to or sell. Hudson, Alton 81. So SIDU, I could check that one out. See, SIDU, side of space. Okay, so recently it's down right now, 8.55%. After hours, it's up 4.55. Side of space. So past week, it's up 54%. So past month, so it's up quite a bit recently. So I have very little bit of it, but like I don't know, like there's a chance it might keep on moving up, but in my opinion, on financial advice, I think there's potentially more likelihood of it going down a little bit more before it goes up. But who knows? Nobody knows what's gonna happen for sure. Nobody knows for sure. Yeah, we'll see what it does. I have it on my watch list. I got $1 of it, so we'll see how it keeps on moving for the future. Crazy how much XRP went up today. Yeah, it is crazy. Let me see. I have it here somewhere. Let's see. Go to my cryptos. Let's see, cryptos. Got so much sometimes it's hard to find. There it is. There's the XRP. And I barely have anything in it. Maybe I'll just sell it all at the moment. Not that. I gotta sell it at a profit. I don't know why it's being so glitchy and doesn't want to sell it at a profit right away. And oh, come on. I don't know why it's being so glitchy. Now I gotta go find it again. Flipping a XRP. Trade, sell all. Might as well sell all while it's up. Then if it dips, I could get some more of it, you know. And I feel like it would be safer to try to long to about 4,500 at the moment. Oh, you think so there, Water Buffalo? Let's see. It kind of depends on where the silver and everything's going. Let me see. Let me take a look at it. Futures. Okay, metals futures. Oh, Mu is up. That's cool. I'll check that one out in a little bit. So micro gold futures. So you think it potentially might move to 4,000? It's got like the bullish uptrend type deal. Looks like a little bit. But yeah, it's kind of risky though too. Where it's at, cause like it's moving unpredictable. Like who knows what'll happen. Let me see. What if I get buy one? If I buy one contract right now, sometimes it's good. Sometimes you end up doing a little bit better when you don't put any like what do you call it? Sometimes if you buy market orders, sometimes it works better if you scalp like that instead of putting a limit order because sometimes it's harder to real quickly manipulate the market. You know, like sometimes when I do that, it seems to sometimes work better, but sometimes it always depends too. It depends on what the plan is and how you want to play it. Hey there, my music Gen X. How's it going, man? Gold up, Bitcoin down. I know, right? ABAT is up. Most rare earths are up. CRML, UUUMP. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. Let me see. I think I might have the ABAT, but I'm not sure. Sharon calls were nice this morning. Oh yeah, they were pretty high up for sure. Yeah, sometimes I jump in at market price. Oh, I see. Yeah, sometimes like it's pretty nice doing it. Hey there, the Detroit throwers. Like tomorrow we are hoping for a big dip. We were expecting one today, but we didn't get one. Tomorrow it is expected that it might dip now. Silver, of course, is doing extremely good today. Oh, I see, I see. I might try it. I might try it. I might too try along for a bit. Oh, okay. I'll see. Maybe I might jump in for a little bit. I'll see here in a little bit. So silver 78.62. Oh, nice. Yeah, what I did with my call that I got, Remember this call that I got, the AGQ. Let's see. So I sold a call against it. I did another poor man's covered call. So this is the one I got. It did go up quite a bit, so it's down a little bit. But what I did today is I went and I sold a call against it. I did another poor man's covered call, or a pmcc, or a diagonal, whatever you want to call it. So I did one of those. That's doing kind of okay. So I'm collecting some premium. So if short term, if it does dip some more, I could collect some premiums out of this hedging position that I got against it. So I'm kind of protecting that call that I got, and while it's kind of trying to recover, I'm collecting some premiums on the side from it, from doing other contracts. Damn it. Damn it, I gotta sell my silver. I could sell silver. They could do you play options on margin. No, not at the moment. I only have like $1 activated out of my margin, so like I might do that. Like if I sell puts, that might be worth it as long as you don't get called, or like you don't get put to stock. That way you don't pay interest on it. But if you know what you're doing with it, you actually could make some decent money. Don't get rid of that silver leap. Silver consolidated a bunch and people are buying it even more now. I saw $90 ounce silver getting sold out. Oh wow, that's crazy. So like I think from what it looks like right now with the silver, it looks like the $70 an ounce looks like that's kind of like the new bottom of it. Like where it's kind of like good support where it doesn't really want to go lower than that. If it does, maybe a tiny bit, but it's like a good support. But all 1,800 to 1,900. About most of my silver 19 to 30. Yeah, 19 to 30, that's a good deal. If you buy it 19 to $30 an ounce, that's very good deal for sure. Hell yeah. 20 years ago, damn. 20 years ago, but still that's nice that you got a good deal on it 20 years ago. That's awesome. That's smart. For sure I like the physical gold and silver. Those are pretty smart to have to buy. I like those. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'll get into the micro futures right now, gold or whatnot. I might, maybe a little bit later. I'll kind of see where everything's going. JPM has half the COMEX silver bullion in the world right now. The largest buyers of silver worldwide are JPM and Citigroup right now. Oh wow, that's pretty crazy. It was 28 or excuse me, it was $28 ounce 2 years ago. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy how much it went up in price. It's insane. HV, very low gold now. Oh, I see. Wow. So Meta platforms, it did go up a little bit, but not much. I'm still kind of bullish. I got like over $1,000 or over a couple $1,000 in that one. Palantir started to move up a little bit, so that's good. Hopefully it continues. Who knows? Palantir Technologies Q3 225 earnings call Q&A. Take a look at shareholder questions. Go to shareholder Q&A. Shiba is up. A lot of flipping cryptos are going up like crazy. It's kind of interesting. Kind of flipping interesting. ABAT. Let's check ABAT. So ABAT. So American Battery Technology. So I think that should be like it's up 26% today. That's pretty good. That's pretty decent. I'll add it to one of my lists here so I could track it. American Battery Technology is a technology company which engages in the development of making of lithium-ion batteries. Its projects include recycling plant. Okay, so all of these things. So yeah, this one's potentially pretty decent to have. Let's see. It doesn't have a dividend, but as long as batteries are in high demand most of the time, all the time, anyways. So I think this thing has good potential. Like I'll see what it does. Maybe I might add like $1 of this one, and maybe DCA into it accordingly. Looks STK today. Oh, I see USAR. I do have USAR. I got over 100 shares of USAR, and they got like a leaps call on it. But I got it when it was quite a bit higher. So I have it. I'm not sure if I'll add anything to it, but I do have that. I think ticker PGY is getting ready for a big move. Oh, really? The PGY? Let me see. PGY. So Pagaya Technologies. Oh, that's interesting. So today is up 8.93. 12 something. 1 week, 1 month is down. 3 months is down. Year to date, it's up 12%. 1 year, it's up 129%. So it's quite a bit. 5 years. Okay, so yeah, it looks like hopefully it's doing good. Let me see. I'm gonna add this to my list here, and then I'll read about it a little bit. About Pagaya Technologies. Pagaya Technologies Ltd. engages in the development of AI and data networks for the financial industry. Its product deploys data science, machine learning, and AI technologies to evaluate the customer applications in real time. The company was founded by GAL Kubernetes on March 20, 2016. It's headquartered in New York, New York. The listed name for PGY is Pagaya Technologies Ltd. Class A ordinary shares. So it seems pretty decent. I mean, it might pop. I don't know. Let's see, is there any dividend or anything? So no dividend. So analyst ratings on this one: 90% buy, 10% hold, 0% sell. So that's pretty decent. Let's see what the potential move looks like on it. So right now, so it looks like it's kind of overbought on the RSI. It's kind of looks like short term potentially downtrending, but eventually maybe that trend will change towards the upside. If I click on the 1 week, 4 hours, that one looks like it's kind of more starting to trend towards the upside, but still overbought. It's overbought on the RSI, so we'll kind of see what happens. There's is some potential. Looks like maybe I'll get a little bit of it to see what it does. STIMPUAMY. Let's see STI. Let's check that one out. That one out. STI. So STI, there's so I think it's that one. Let's see. Add this to my first list. Let's see about. Let me look at the chart. So today it's up 14.75%. It's quite a bit. 1 week it's up 15%. 1 month it's up 6%. 3 months it's up 36%. Year to date it's up 9%. 1 year it's down 76%. 5 years it's down 97%. Well, it's not even around 5 years, I guess. It's what listed on February 1, 2024. So it's kind of fairly a new company. But I guess you think there might be some potential for that one to go up. Solidity and Technology IT engages in researching, developing, and manufacturing battery companies and materials batteries. Also, like in the battery stuff too. So that's pretty cool. I might buy the minimal on it just to kind of have it on my radar a little bit. Okay, let's see. Nikki, how are you? Remember me? Oh yeah, I remember you there, Alvarez. I keep on forgetting how to pronounce your name though, Alvarez. Yeah, I remember you. I remember you very well, Alvarez. Yeah, just I've always messed up on the name sometimes. Sorry for that. Did you get in one, Nikki? Oh, I haven't got into one. So is it doing good right now? Let's see. Micro Gold futures. So do you think it's gonna keep on trending up? Right now it's kind of iffy. I know going up it's probably a little bit more high potential, but I don't know. Seems a bit risky right now to me. Are you in it there, Water Buffalo? You could make some good scalping, where you get in and out quickly, but like to be in it a little bit longer, I think it's kind of risky at the moment. So I'm not in that one right now. This, this is my email. If you my see my predict, well, we can contact. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. So what's your email there, Alvarez? Like what I say in Venezuela or crude oil. Oh, okay, I see, I see. Yeah, I'll take a screenshot of this. Like what I say in Venezuela or crude oil. Oh, I see. So how do you pronounce your name again? Alirez, Alirezab or Alirezab 9737. I remember you pretty good. I remember you told me how to pronounce your name, but I kind of forgot. Okay, so futures gold, like it's kind of risky to get in my opinion. You could still make money either way. You could make money on shorting it or going long, but I don't know. It's kind of risky. Okay, Ali Riza, Ali Riza. Okay, awesome. Thank you, man. Thank you, Ali Riza. I'll take a screenshot so I don't forget. Don't forget it. Somebody told me that once, but like I forgot. It's sometimes hard to remember all the names, like perfect pronunciations. But I do try my best. Hell yeah, awesome, awesome. Like hopefully you're doing good. Hopefully you're killing it in the market there, Ali Riza. That's awesome. All good, man. All good. But yeah, I'll see. I might bounce in this one a little bit later to see if there's anything more like more of a sure deal. Because right now I do have enough capital. I could play some contracts, but I'm gonna take it easy a tiny bit at the moment. Let's see if I click on the this one. This is the hedging position against the silver thingy. So it's still kind of doing its thing a little bit. So that's just a little hedge. So if it does dip a little bit more short term, at least I could collect some money during that time. I see syrup, some cyber syrup. Gold goes down just by oil. Send me email. I can help you, Nicky. If you're interested, I must go see you soon. Okay, thank you there, Ali Riza. Thank you, man, for sure. So, like, your email, like, what is your email? So it's a kind of like what your name is, but is it like Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo Mail? What's your email? Design Guru 22. Cool, cool. I'll take a screenshot of this thing. But yeah, it's all cool. We'll see how with the Venezuela thing. Yeah, I think oil should be doing pretty good, but we'll see. Oh yeah, the syrup thing, the maple syrup, that thing's up quite a bit. Let's see, maybe since it's up, I could potentially sell some of it. Let's see, 522. That's if it's gonna be profitable. 517. Trade and buy $1 back. Syrup filled. Hell yeah. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I see. Hey there, Water Buffalo. Did you try out any like prop firms or anything like that? Like kind of thing. I kind of like what Lance Briefcase says. I think it's kind of smart to try out like one of the prop firms. Eventually, I want to try one of the prop firms like the Take Profit Trader, and see how that works to kind of get a hang of it. JD Rasamussen. Hey there, JD Rasamussen. Why the question marks? Uh, let's see this one right here, flocky thingy. See how much I got that one. Maybe I could sell some of this thingy, right? Sell 3.21, 324. Sell all of it. Kind of sort of halfway all of it, and then done. Then go trade buy $1 back. Do kind of sort of halfway like that. Are you just messing around? No, I'm not messing around. I'm actually trading, buying, and selling crypto and some other stuff. So, no, I just can't trust any of them. Maybe if I found a trustworthy one, I'd do it. Oh, okay, I see. Maybe eventually, if I try one out there, Water Buffalo, like for example, if I try like the Take Profit Trader, and if it works out good for me, And if I live stream it, you can see it's working out. Maybe then like on my trial and error, maybe then you could probably try one out. Because literally, imagine if you buy a prop firm, like you pay, for example, like even if it's like $100, you pass the eval, you got $50,000 of prop firm money to play with, and then whatever profits you make, you get to keep 80% of it. But then if you blow the account, it's only like $100 that you invested in it. So seems like a cheap way to kind of practice, kind of like Lance Briefcase was saying. I mean, he's in that one. But I'm not saying that you should try it, but because me, I haven't tried the take profit trade. I still want to. The thing is, for me, it's kind of weird. I don't know how it'll work on the flipping tablet on my iPad. If it'll work, because I'm trading on my tablet. I heard a lot of them won't let you cash out. Yeah, that's kind of what I heard too. But I think if you keep strict to the rules that they have, I think you should be able to. But yeah, I think it is still kind of risky. But I watched some videos that like people say that they're able to cash out once they pass the eval, got their everything done that they ask, and they actually end up getting paid. But who knows like how true that is? But I think it is. But we'll see. Maybe I'll try one out. I mean, I tried one of the ones. It didn't work out that well for me because it was one of them kind of weird ones. But I failed the eval. But I want to try like a different one. Yeah, but like especially one of the newer ones that are like less trusted, probably more riskier a little bit. Probably a tiny bit more risky. So, let's see. Trade, so. Oops, didn't mean to do that one. But yeah, eventually once I have a little bit more time, like maybe I'll take some more time off of work when I can. And then like I'll try to try out like a one prop from or two, see what happens. Kind of sort of halfway see what happens. Very rarely, I know, right? For sure. Kind of totally for sure. Very rarely. I think so. Oh man, some flipping crazy stuff a little bit. Some like very interesting stuff. There's a Pepe thingy. Maybe I should throw the paper and see if I should buy some more Pepe thingy. See what it says. Let's see. Should I DCA into Pepe? Should I buy some more Cyber Pepe coin thingy? Let's see what it says. Okay, so it said no on this one right now. It doesn't want me to get this thingy. So I'll check out a different one. I'll kind of sort of check out a different one, see which one it allows me to buy. But yeah, maybe one of these days I'll try out a certain prop firm and I'll try to pass the evaluation like here online, live streaming on YouTube. Then people could see if it's actually legitimate or not, if they actually pay out or not. Like I want to eventually try one of those out, but I want to do a live streaming. So if I get scammed on the live stream, people will see me getting scammed with a prop firm and laugh at me a little bit. We'll see what happens. Kind of sort of halfway see what happens, right? But then if it's a legitimate thing, it'll be a legitimate thing. See how it works. See kind of sort of how it works a little bit, I guess. I see this one's a little bit down. Let's see, CRWV. Maybe I should check one of the ones I don't have and add some of those. Shiba Inu. Let's see how much I got that one. Very little. Oh yeah, I should ask the paper if I should buy some more of that one. Let's see. Should I buy some more Shiba Inu? Let's see. Should I feed my cyber puppy? Should I flip and feed my cyber puppy right now? Let's see what it says. Okay, it says yes. So that's good. Flip and feed my cyber puppy. That way my cyber puppy don't bite me and I won't become like a weird superhero, like a weird cyber puppy man. Because that don't sound too cool. Like I'd rather be myself than a cyber puppy man. Kind of too weird. Like one too many times too weird. So I'd rather, yeah, like so in this case I'll feed the flipping cyber puppy and it won't bite me and I won't have a weird superpower. So That's all good. I toss it a couple of bones. It'll nibble on it a little bit. It'll be well taken care of. It'll be well fed or fed up or whatever the hell it wants to be. So it's all good in that one. Let's see the mood dang thingy. See how much I got that one. A little bit. Probably let it be. Let's see this one. Ethereum Classic. I don't have much in it, but it's up quite a bit. A tiny bit. The bonk thingy. I don't have much of that one. But a whole bunch of shitcoins, cryptos, and stuff like that. They're kind of going up like crazy. It's kind of weird. Percent wise, they're like moving. Flipping, moving like crazy. It's flipping, bouncing. Flipping that thingy. Let's see, which one did I want to see here? I want to see, oh yeah, I want to see the Doge. So everything's moving like crazy, and Doge is kind of like one of the ones. It's moving up too, but it's not moving a lot enough to kind of get into the profit zone. It's like kind of a little bit weird. Kind of doesn't make any sense. But at the same time, it is what it is a little bit, you know. It is what it is. So this one's down a tiny bit. Let's see which one I should check on though. That one's down. Maybe I should check one of the random ones. Let's see. CRYP. See one of the ones maybe that are kind of a tiny bit more down, like Bitcoin Cash. I think I got that one. The avalanche thing, yeah, I should add to that one. Let's see, add a little bit of that one. Just kind of have it on the radar. And then if it dips some more, I could add some more of that one. But that's, for me, good enough to have a little bit. You know, let's see which other one here. I like this one. I'll probably add a little bit of this one, just in case. Just at least a tiny bit, I think won't hurt. And then if it dips some more, I could add some more to it. Okay, let's see the other one. I think this one's kind of decent too. Add the minimal of that one to what I got. Just a little bit. Let's see, SEI. I think that's one of the ones I just sold out of right now. Maybe I should ask the paper if I should buy this one, you know, see what the paper thinks. Let's see, should I buy some SEI right now? Let's see, should I DCA now? SEI, let's see. Okay, so it says no. So I'll not get this one right now. Maybe it should dip first a little bit more. And then I could get it. And then I could kind of sort of halfway get it, so I'll skip this one for now. Oh, the flipping penguins. I like to feed the penguins once in a while, so it did go up quite a bit too. Oh, the KNT bot thing is here. That's funny. So best gold is UGL stock. Only put JAG of your gold investment and get same results. Oh, nice. So the UGL. Okay, I see. I'll try to get that one for sure. Okay, so penguin, I don't have any, so I'll buy like a little bit right now, and I'll go check out the gold thingy, the UGL. Let's see, UGL. So ProShares Ultra Gold Fund. Also, this is leverage. It says right, leverage product. This product is designed to multiply your potential risk and returns. Leverage products may not be for all investors. Okay, I see. So how's this? Is this kind of like the AGQ type deal where let's see, UGL provides 2x the daily performance of gold as measured by the price of COMEX gold futures contracts. The listed name for UGL is ProShares Ultra Gold. Oh, nice. So this one's kind of like the AGQ deal, but instead of the AGQ, it's actually like AGQ is silver, but this one's gold, so it's UGL. I see. So that kind of makes sense. That seems pretty decent to trade. Let's see. I'll add this. I'll add this to my metals, top metals to trade, and I'll definitely. Let's see. I'm not sure how much I'll add, but I'll definitely add some of it. I'll probably add like $10 to this one. That way it'll be easier to keep track of it. And then according to what it does, I could either add or subtract, or I could possibly get a leap skull once it dips low enough, you know. Like, could be a good potential to do something decent with. So yeah, I do kind of like that one. Let's see. Best gold UGL stock only put J, JAG of your gold investment gets the same result. What does JAG stands for? Like, let's see. Or I'm not sure if it's actually a ticker symbol or it stands for something, the JAG X or whatnot. But I don't see it here. But yeah, that one seems kind of decent. I like it. I'll drink some of my tea here. Jan second. If Smart picked defense today, picked oil, what would you pick tomorrow since you like KNT? Flipping KNT thingy. Flipping bot thingy chatting with us here. It's kind of funny. But yeah, I like the flipping gold thingy. The leverage gold, it's kind of like the AGQ leverage thingy. Hey there, Gamblard 420. Not much, not much. Just trading away here like crazy after work. Working all day, doing construction work like crazy, and now trading, doing some of my trading and trading, planning some of my trades and like stuff like that. Just chilling in the market a little bit. Kind of sort of halfway chilling in the market. So tiny little baby trades. I was able to make some money like on the AGQ. I did a poor man's covered call on the AGQ. I took profits and then I opened up another one. And then on silver, I made some SIL. Let's see what else. I don't know what else, but like it made a tiny bit of money on some things here. Not much. Not that much. SoFi, I sold one of my Leaps contracts for a tiny bit of profit. So I didn't make too much money, but I made some. So year to date, still not a big amount, but it's still something. $82. It's kind of funny. Yes, I do have to pay taxes on those. Yep. Trades by day, trades by night. I know, right? For sure. Exactly. Skill trades during by day and trading by night. That's funny. How you doing there, Gamblard? Like, are you making tons of profits in the market? Hopefully you are. Hopefully everybody is here is making a lot of profit. Looks like the prediction markets are doing okay. Looks like a lot of it or most of it's in the green. So hopefully that continues. Oh yeah, hopefully it should be a good year in the market there. Justin T 3241. So gamblers thinking, right? Like not sure a little bit. Oh, year to date, oh pretty good. Oh, that's good. That's awesome. Hell yeah, man. Hell flipping yeah. Oh, excuse me. Oh, looks like some of my options like disappeared. So my buying power right now is 9,650. Let's see. So AGQ, that's the hedge I got against my silver. And VTS, that's the cash secured put I got. AGQ, that's the leaps call I got. Okay, so I still got a couple of these. I got this one here. Let's see if I simulate return. So this one's up, the silver thingy, so that's good if I simulate that one. And then let's see, SBSW. That one's that one's down, but not much. So they're not doing too bad. They're doing pretty decent. Year to date is pretty good. That's good. Hopefully everybody's year to date is pretty good. Hopefully everybody's making tons of money year to date. January 13, banks will starting report their earnings. CNBC News today. Sincerely, KNT. Oh, KNT is kind of trying to be a little bit sort of halfway informative, I guess, right? Got it flipping by the Apple. Let's see where so Apple had a dip today. It's kind of interesting. I mean, if it's at a dip, potentially a good buying opportunity a little bit. Potentially, hopefully, maybe we'll see. Let's see, get the flipping Apple like crazy hell. Get the flipping Apple like crazy hell. One apple a day keeps 10 doctors away. Hell yeah, good stuff. Maybe I should ask the paper and see if I should buy some more apples. Should I flip and buy some more cyber apples? Let's see what it says. Ooh. So it says no, not to buy some more cyber apples, which is fine. At least I bought one. I DC8 into one at least. Kind of better than nothing. Yeah, he is AI. I know, right? That's kind of what I figured. But I mean, KNT, the bot is kind of bored, so I guess it's just kind of chilling with us. Since we got a cyber campfire, we got a cyber bot chilling with us, talking away like crazy, you know, doing this thing. He chill, yeah, exactly. He be chilling with us. He be chilling in the hood, cause I be trading on Robinhood, you know. He be chilling. Maybe I could check out the hood while I'm trading on Robinhood. You know, it's kind of all legit, chill stuff. You know, so it's up to date quite a bit. That's crazy. But we'll see what it does. I'm kind of bullish on this one for the long term. I was trying to get in, like, but eventually started going up, and I didn't have much capital to actually invest in it. But I like this one. Once in a while, I do like trade it. It's pretty fun. I like trading the hood deal. Let's see. You check out Zeta. Let me see. Let me check it out. Let's check out Zeta. So Zeta chain, is that like so whatever that is, it says explore in Robinhood wallet, which I don't have right now, but it seems pretty decent. Is that like I'm not sure what that is because it doesn't say crypto on it, but oh, it is Robinhood crypto only real time. Huh. So continue. Then I could set up my wallet here in front of the world so the whole world could see. Like, and just kidding. But anyways, looks pretty decent. But like I don't have the Robinhood wallet thingy though. Oh, the company. So there's a Zeta the company. So oh, this one right here. There's a ETF, right? Okay, so this ETF. So I wonder what that's about. So today it's up 8.89%. Past week it's up 18%. 1 month it's up 27. 3 months it's up 23. Year to date it's up 19. 1 year it's up 30. 5 years up 175. Max it's up 170. So it looks like it's kind of generally moving up. Zeta Global Holdings Corp operates as a marketing technology software company which engages in the provision of enterprises with consumer intelligence and marketing automation software. It enables its customers to target, connect, and engage consumers through software that delivers marketing across all addressable channels, including email, social media, web chat, connected TV, and video, among others. The company was founded by David A. Steinberg and John Scully on May 9th, 2012, and headquartered in New York. New York. The listed name for Zeta is Zeta Global Holding Corp. Okay, that's cool. Seems pretty decent. So there's no dividend. So the analyst ratings on this one: 79% buy, 21% hold, and 0% sell. So it seems pretty decent. Maybe I could add it to one of my watch list thingy. And then maybe I'll add a little bit just to kind of have on my radar a tiny bit. If it's kind of decent potentially for the long term, don't won't hurt to add a little bit of it, right? Deal with OpenAI. That's why it's ripping. Oh, I see, I see. But yeah, like I added a tiny bit, like $1, just to kind of have it on the radar. Because if it went up so much here recently, eventually what goes up must come down. But we'll see, you know. But it does look pretty decent. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see how it plays out. But I added to my watch list and added a tiny bit just to kind of see what it does. Yeah, SoFi, kind of like this one. I got a whole bunch of that one, the SoFi stock. I got 233 shares of that. So I got like value wise $6,855 worth. And then on top of that, I got a couple of Leap skulls on it, which I'm currently down on. But I sold one of my SoFi Leaps at a profit today, small profit, but I got rid of it. But hopefully it keeps on moving up. Long term, I'm bullish on it, but we'll see how it plays out. I think eventually it'll go back up to where like it came from, like over there, somewhere 32. We'll see. We'll kind of see. USAR thingy, I got like a leaps call on that one, which I'm down a lot on. I'm down like quite a bit on that, and then I got a whole bunch of shares on that one too. Not a whole bunch, but 100 and some shares, so I'm down on that thingy too. SMR moving up. Oh, I see. I could check it out right now. Can't you where letters will go drone suppliers. SMR. Let's check out SMR. So new scale power. So I do have it on my watch list. It is going up. Hopefully it continues to go up. So I only had like $1 in it. Like it went up a little bit, but maybe I might add a little bit more. Maybe if it dips a tiny bit, but we'll see. I do kind of like it for the long term. Power's in high demand, especially for all the AI and everything. It's pretty decent. Maybe I should throw the paper, see what the paper says, see if I should add. Hey there, J Duff. How's it going, man? How you doing? Hopefully all is well, man. I'm just chilling here, trading away a little bit. Let's see. Should I add to the new scale power thingy? Let's see what it says. Should I add to the new scale power? So at the moment it says no. Maybe because it went up quite a bit recently. But cool, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Hell yeah. Do you consider PE ratio when picking which companies to allocate to? Me, if I consider the PE ratio, like I normally I don't really look at that or don't pay attention too much on that. I guess the paper is just goaded. The paper's goaded. I know, right? I'm sure the paper considers it. The paper probably does. Paper knows what it's doing sometimes. J Dub's right. I talked to you last week about UPXI. Did you ever buy any? I should check it out if I did or not. Let me see. UPXI. UP. Let's see. Is it UPXI, right? UPE. Oh, okay. So UPEXI. UPEXI. There it is. I found it. I flip and found it. So this one's up today 19%. So it's up quite a bit. It's pretty decent, looks like. So let's see. So 1 week it's up 25%. 1 month is down 12. 3 months down 69. Year to date it's up. Year it's down. 5 years is down. Maximum is down. So I guess like recently it went up for some reason. So you probably have some good info about it, right? Bought more people today. Bought more Pepe today. Oh, nice. Hopefully it like serves you well there, Jada. Hopefully it goes up like crazy for you. Hell yeah. Oh, you had options on the UPEXI back in the back in the day. I see. That's funny. Interesting stuff. More Pepe today. That's cool. Maybe I should add some more of the Pepe thingy. But like the shit coins and the crypto is kind of ripping up like crazy. It's funny. It's kind of funny. And I was like buying a whole bunch of it. Not a whole bunch of it, but quite a bit of it. Small amounts, but on the red just recently. UPEXI engages in the development, manufacturing, and distribution of consumer products through direct-to-consumer network, wholesale partnerships, and major third-party platforms like Amazon. Its brands include Lucky Tail, Prax, Cure Mushrooms, Moonwalker, and Gummy Labs. The company was founded on September 5, 2018, and is headquartered in Tampa, Florida. Listed name for UPXI is UPXI INC common stock. So kind of looks pretty decent. Maybe I should ask the paper if I should buy some. Obviously, I don't have. Maybe I should get a little bit of it, and then ask the paper if I should get a tiny bit more of it. See what the paper says, right? A lot of these DAT companies just jumped ship and started buying crypto, so all of that description is not important. They just have a lot of Solana. Oh, okay. I get it. Thanks for the info there, Gambart420. Hell yeah. But usually what comes up eventually like should go down, but like at least I got $1 in it and it's on my radar. I could see what it's up to a little bit. That's kind of cool though. Let's see what Tesla is up to. So flipping Tesla. It's already down. I know, right? Long term. Yeah, I see. So you think that one's a pretty decent for long term. Makes sense. Excuse me. So Tesla thing, it's up today quite a bit. Kind of sucks because I wanted to get no. It's good that it's up, but like I was hoping it goes down so I could add a whole bunch more on a dip. But with the war thingy, not the war, but the Venezuela deal that's going on, short term it might potentially affect Tesla short term in a negative way, but not a guarantee though, because if there's gonna be a whole bunch of oil and fuel and all that stuff produced, like it's gonna be like more people are gonna still keep on using the ice rigs and stuff like that. Potentially, I don't know, but long term with whatever Tesla does is still pretty bullish. I'm pretty bullish on it, but short term might have a little effect on it potentially, not a guarantee. I gotta drink my tea, but yeah, drink my tea, not a guarantee. It's funny. Ah man, cheers, cheers! I'm drinking my flippin' yummy green tea with my chamomile tea. Good stuff, healthy stuff. Long term, yeah. Hell yeah, long term. Let me see what the paper thinks about Tesla. Let's see. I'll throw the paper and see if it wants me to buy it or not. Let's see. At least a little bit. Let's see. Should I DCA into Tesla? At least a tiny, tiny bit. Let's see what it says. So it says yes. So I guess I could dollar cost average into it a tiny, tiny bit. Just a little bit. Like little bit. That's all. Just DCA a tiny little bit. Not much, because maybe potentially it might dip short term, but if it does a little bit, it doesn't matter, because if I add a little bit, it's kind of sort of halfway safe to do so. You know. Let's see what the futures thingy looks like. Futures. Micro gold futures. So still kind of hovering around the same price, 44476 around there somewhere. Just moving sideways. Like as soon as like I probably enter any type of trade, is gonna try to go crazy higher or lower than it. Maybe I should throw the paper and see what the paper says, right? Let's see. Maybe I'll throw the paper and see what it says. Let's see. I'll throw the paper and see if it tells me to go long with this thing. Oh, you're short gold. I see. I see. Long term. Kind of short term. I think I'd probably bet on it going short on it. Maybe I'll ask the paper, see what the paper says. Let's see. Should I go short on micro gold right now for a little bit? So the paper says yes, that I should go short on micro gold for a little bit. We'll see what happens, right? If I go short on it for a tiny bit, see what happens. So paper said I could go short a little bit. Let's see if I go short, sell one contract. Okay, so I'm in the contract. We'll see what it does. See whether it goes into profit or not. So I'm in it right now. So it's at break even right now. So a little bit negative. We'll see where it does. So I'm going short right now. See what it decides to do. I'll just get out. So I got out. So like I only made $2, which is not much. After probably fees and everything, it's probably giving me not much profit. Or maybe I should short it from a higher amount. Let's see, trade, sell. Let's see, make limit order. One limit order. I should go from 4.47 77.7. Okay, Aster up. Okay, it's fine. So I could short it from 4,477.7 because it's got the 777. It might be kind of sort of halfway lucky, like we'll see what it does. It might kind of sort of halfway work out. We'll see. We'll kind of see, right? See what it decides to do. If I wait on that one, so up $2, that's not much. It's like almost nothing. but I can see what it does a little bit. Kind of sort of halfway see what it does. Oh, you're only risking 100. 100 is not too much to risk. That kind of makes sense there. Gambler at 420. The Robinhood futures contract are huge. I'd be careful. Oh yeah, they are pretty huge. Like I'm actually in general kind of a little bit down on the what do you call it, on the futures. I used to be up like when I started. I actually had a very good win streak. I was like up every single day for like over a week, and then I started losing some, then winning some, then losing some. Generally, I'm kind of more down than I'm up on futures on Robinhood, but it's still pretty interesting to play it. But yeah, so far like I'll see if it'll actually hit that price or not. If it hits, maybe short it from that point. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. I'll see what happens. But yeah, only risking 100, that's not too bad. So hey there, Gambler 420. Are you trading like on a prop firm doing this, or are you trading on something else? I gotta drink my flippin' super crazy dark coffee, TN coffee. Yummy, good stuff. I don't like how you can adjust your leverage. I know, right? Oh yeah, yeah. How you can't adjust your leverage? Yeah, it kind of sucks for sure. Sometimes it moves slow. Sometimes it moves like, for example, if I sell another one, just the leverage on it's like 3,000. The margin requirement 3,100 and something dollars. Like kind of crazy, kind of expensive. I trade the PAXGUSDT pair. Oh, really? That's interesting. Like, is that like the a type of gold? Is a type of gold like futures gold or? Hmm. I'll take a screenshot so I could research more about that thingy, but I don't know what that is. I could try to find it, see if Robinhood has it. I want to see if Robinhood has that one or not. Let me see. I want to try to type in that information. PAX GUSDT. So Pax Gold. So you're trading this one right here, right? Pax. Oh, exploring Robinhood wallet. So yeah, I don't have the Robinhood wallet, but that's the kind of one that you're trading, right? Kind of interesting. Hmm. But I guess I can't trade exactly this one, but I guess it's on Robinhood wallet, which I don't have. Huh. Kind of interesting. Wait, let's see if I click on the. Is it crypto tied to gold? Oh, okay. I see. Crypto tied to gold. I see. So yeah, when I looked at it, like I saw it, but I couldn't trade it because I need the Robinhood wallet, and I don't have that. But yeah, it makes sense. It kind of makes sense. Let's see if I click on the futures. So days PNL. So net return, exchange and regulatory fees. So 67. Net return 62.52. Okay, let's see here. If I go to micro, yeah, let's see, futures, go to metals futures, micro gold futures. Nicky can't start another portfolio on Robinhood pretty easily. You can, if you can't start another portfolio on Robinhood pretty easily, you should start one for long-term holds, a more concentrated portfolio of a few stocks you like. I want to see you make some good gains. Oh yeah, for sure. That's pretty smart. It's a pretty smart thing to do. this year and not just trade for dollars here and there. I know, right? For sure. I mean, like, I'm not sure if I could make another portfolio or not. Let's see. Well, I could always use, like, what I also do is, let's see. See, it's over here, it says joint, so I could do a joint one. But to make another one, I'm not sure if Robinhood will let me make another one, or not. But like, what I could do is, like, I got the Webull app. Like, I could do some more different investments on that one too. You know, term referrals, whatever. But I gotta do the password thingy on this, which I'm gonna kind of turn the screen away for a second. But yeah, see, I could do a little bit of investing here, just add a little bit at a time, and just uh, grow a tiny portfolio, kind of double or 3x or quadruple or whatever, like in a short amount of time if possible. But I could do that. Like, I got some positions right now, I guess. And then I could do the what do you call it, the Moo thingy. I don't have much in there, but it's something that I could kind of do too a little bit. Let's see. So it's the cash account, what I got right now. So right now I only got the lift position on this thingy, but I mean, I could like add like random amounts, like DCAing into those too. He can make hella broady. I know, right? Yeah, go to add up there at the top. Okay, so go to add. Let's see. Oh, this one right here, right? The add. So choose an account type. So individual, joint, and retirement. So I could just add another individual, right? Kind of like the same thing that I got, just another separate individual, right? It was the add button at the end. Yeah, like I think this is it, right? The add. You add, then you just click on the individual. Obviously, I'm not going to add it right now, but this is just for an example. Yeah, individual. Yeah, I could do that one and then just add like certain amounts into it and just kind of grow it without selling it much or whatnot. Make a joint with all of us in it. I know, right? Investing the whole YouTube community that's a part of the channel. See what it does. Choose a management style for individual accounts. So self-directed. Yeah, I'll probably do a self-directed, managed by Robinhood strategies. No, I'll probably do a self-directed, but obviously I'm not going to set it up here right now. With all the information exposed to the whole world, right? But yeah, I don't think I have a joint account, but yeah, it'll be interesting. Make a joint account for everybody that's chilling on YouTube, right? But yeah, it kind of makes sense. So maybe I might do something like that. Instead of just having the one, have another one. It'd be kind of cool. Yeah, it's the same as your main. You can just switch between them. I made one strictly for wheeling. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. That's actually smart there, J-Dub. Thanks for the tip. I'll probably look into it and do that. Show us how to make a account. Show us how to make an account. Like, you click on this thingy, then you click on this thing if you want to make this one, and then you start putting all your information. So whatever. So the nickname, I could just do like whatever, like blah, and then go and continue, and then that be like a potential nickname, and then yeah. But yeah, that's awesome. Thanks, like, again, thanks for sharing that info there, Jada. That's awesome. You're awesome, man. Cool, cool. But yeah, like, in a tiny bit of my spare time, I'll probably try to set one up, and then just, yeah, just pretty much wheel it and just do like basic simple stuff, let it grow. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Let me see. So is the futures thingy close to hitting my price? Looks like it's going back up a little bit. See if it'll actually hit my price. See where it was at the highest. 4567, 4476. We'll see what it does. Right now, like when it's going sideways, it's kind of risky to bet anything on it on in that type of deal. We'll see what it does though. We'll kind of sort of halfway see what it does. I'm still kind of trying to see if it gets in at that price. It did go down for a little bit. It's going back up towards it. We'll see if it hits that or not. It might. If it does, I might try to do like a small scalp, like squeeze a few dollars out of it if possible. See what happens. Looks like it's heading there, just a tiny bit left. See if it'll make it. I gotta drink some of my mate thingy. I flippin' South American mate drink. Cheers, cheers. Good stuff. Are you shorting? Yes, yes, there, Water Buffalo. I'm shorting it right now. See, I'm trying to get in at 4,477.7 and do like a potentially do a very short. You know, like even if I make like a little bit, for me it's fine just to kind of, because right now it's kind of risky, but like I think it might go down, but we'll see. Regardless, you could make money on the upside or the downside as long as you don't try to make a big move or big win out of it. You could take a small win out of it, you know. But yeah, I'm trying to short it a tiny bit from the 4777 thingy. I don't know if it'll work out or not. Because right now, like in this case, it's kind of like one of the riskiest ones. Kind of just goes sideways like crazy. Gold sucks. Dump it. I should just dump it, huh? It's just being super slow. But maybe I should just exit and cancel. Yes, exit and cancel all. If I'm not watching it that closely, sometimes once you got like a limit order, sometimes it hits your price and goes like crazy away from it into the negative. I mean, I like the gold thingy. I like trading gold, but like it's good to try to be safe around it because sometimes it moves like crazy too. Moves like a meme coin. Oh, excuse me. Let me see what SPY and QQQ looks like. So SPY is up today too, 0.67% today, then 0.15% overnight. So it looks pretty decent. Looks kind of sort of halfway decent, but then if I go to the flipping SPX, let's see, not that one, SPX. And then I could try to trade this one. You can set stops and target prices if you're gonna look away. Yeah, like stops and target like those are good. Those are probably easier to set from the ladder thingy. But yeah, it's safer to do so if you get, yeah, go away from it for sure. Actually, like I got my other device here, my phone. See over there, there's my phone. Sometimes if I have to, I could look at that and that. Like sometimes I could bounce around, do stuff there, and then like kind of keep an eye on the other thingy on the side, you know. Well, let's see if I click on futures on that thingy, so I could keep an eye on what gold's doing, and then I could, if for one needed, I could switch back over here and show if I'm entering into a position or not. But right now, it's still not hitting my price target where I want to short it from. I'll see when it kind of gets close to that. I'll probably switch this to that screen, and then I'll try to short it and see what happens. You can set some, but yeah, like stop losses for sure. It's safer to do that, I think. My SPX. Let's see if I click on this one, and then if I let's see, buy a call, buy a put. If I buy one put on this thingy, so just the one put on this thing is just $1,200. Not too bad, but if it moves the right way, it could be something kind of sort of halfway decent. Like the max profit potentially 688,740, but highly unlikely because I don't think XPX is gonna hit zero. Oh, Nvidia. Let's see. Let's check out Nvidia. NVDA. So it has potential. Let's see. You're saying Nvidia 200 by Friday? Question mark. There's a possibility. Obviously, nothing's a guarantee, but there's a pretty decent likelihood that it could potentially happen. Not a guarantee though, but it is a possibility. It looks like it's trending up right now. The MACD is on the uptrend. The zigzag line is on the uptrend. So there's a possibility that it might happen. Not a guarantee, but there is some likelihood. Yeah, kind of a little bit too early to tell, but it does have potential. Looks like it is kind of picking up some momentum towards the upside. So yeah, if it kind of continues this, might be something decent. The SoFi thingy. SoFi kind of looks like it's kind of on the uptrend right now because I got quite a bit of it. We'll see what happens. I took some profits from one of my leaps call, like very small profits, like $20 or something. But like I'm kind of hoping it'll move up because I do have quite a bit of it. I think it's my largest position right now, stock shares type deal. But yeah, I'm not sure exactly what it's gonna do, but potentially it might keep on moving up with its momentum. Looks like it still has like upward momentum. On the MACD, short term is dipping up. On the zigzag, it's going up. On the RSI, it's overbought a little bit, but we'll see. Looks like it has some momentum. It's like indecisive right now. It's going sideways. It's hard to tell what it's gonna do, but hopefully it keeps on moving up. See, buy IREN, NBIS, and Zeta. Let's see, IREN. I think I used to have that one. I'd rather probably not have that one myself, me personally. Not saying that it's not a good stock or anything. It kind of follows what is it? One of the cryptos, right? Data center business powering the future of Bitcoin. Yeah, the future of Bitcoin, AI beyond with renewable energies, strategically located in renewable rich fiber connected regions across the U.S. and Canada. Iran's large scale grid connected facilities are purpose built for the next generation of power dense computing applications. The company was founded by Daniel Robertson and William Robertson. November 6, 2018 is headquartered in Sydney, Australia. Their listed name for Iran is Iran Limited Ordinary Shares. So yeah, this thing looks pretty decent. Like it has some potential, but like I used to be in it. I just recently sold out of it. So like I think I sold it at a little loss or something like that. So I think I did some tax loss harvesting on this one. Let me see if I scroll down. Not a lot, but something a little bit. Actually, it looks like I made more profit than what I lost on it, but I sold out of it regardless. Well, it looks like it's pretty decent. It has some good potential for sure. Nothing's a guarantee in the stock market, but it looks somewhat okay. Let me see. Maybe I should add it to one of my lists here, at least. Oh, pretty solid picks. Nice, nice. That's awesome. So far too expensive and uninteresting. 48 PE ratio, something like Meta or Google is lower PE. Yeah, sometimes like PE could be confusing, but like sometimes you could go kind of against the PE and you could still potentially do well. Like it kind of always depends. So like NBIS, I think NBIS pretty decent. Let me see. NBIS. Nebius Group. I think that one's kind of decent too. I don't think I have it. I think I used to have it added to on my list. But definitely, regardless, it's good to try to buy it like at a dip or at a low point. Right now, it looks like it's where it's at. It's kind of low comparing to where it used to be, 134 something. Right now, it's 90 something. So could be good potential, you know, place to add some. Let's see, I think I used to have it. Yeah, I did used to have it before. Maybe I'll add a little bit for now. Maybe as it dips, I could add some more to it. Oh, excuse me. You sold it. I think I sold it a long time ago at one point when I was like clearing out my portfolio. These are three pretty solid picks. Let's see. The other one, let's see. So then the Zeta thingy. Let's check the Zeta thingy. ZETA. So Zeta, I can't get that one because obviously I need to get on Explorer on Robinhood Wallet, which I don't have the Robinhood Wallet at the moment. Let's see. Oh my god, research sometimes, especially on a long time frame, you can't absolutely know what direction stock will trade towards. Yeah, I think I sold out of my a whole bunch of my holdings that I had recently because remember at one point I had one too many stocks, so I just pretty much literally selling almost everything because I had like like roughly about 200 different stocks and ETFs. Like when I used to click on the, let me see here, where's my stock over here? When I used to click on the stocks and ETFs, I used to have like around 200. And right now, like holdings, it still keeps on adding up. Right now, I got 50. So right now, like a little bit less, but like I added some more after I sold a whole bunch of my stuff. But I used to be close to around like 200 different stocks and ETFs I had at one point, not counting the crypto and other stuff. Yes, stock, not a crypto. The Zeta. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I think I recently looked at it. Zeta. Yeah, Zeta. So right here, the stocks or ETFs. Yeah, I think I recently today, just today, I looked at it. Yep, and I have a tiny little cute order in it, and I add it to my what do you call it, watch list. So we'll see how that thingy does. And flipping ring thingy. But yeah, that thing kind of does look decent. Kind of look decent for one of them growth thingies. So the analyst rating 79 say buy, 21% say hold. So it's pretty decent. So yeah, right now I got 50 different stocks and ETFs. Before I used to have close to 200. So still kind of sort of halfway over diversified a little bit. A little bit over diversified. Yeah, a whole bunch of mix of different stuff here. XTC, Tesos, that one's up. Almost a whole bunch of stuff that I got, it's up. Sell, so all of this. Let's see, add it. Oh no, my flipping mate is empty. I know what am I gonna do? It's all out. It's all empty. Let's see. No, it's a stock, not crypto. Yeah, yes, I found that it's a stock. Yeah, thanks there. They hold advertising data on everyone. They are partnering with OpenAI for their mass data library on everyone. Oh, okay, I see. That's why it makes sense. Thanks for the information about it. It kind of makes sense. In that case, it for the most part, logically thinking, it should be going up. You know, the what do you call it? The last one that I just looked at, the Zeta thingy. Yeah, in that case, with that information, I could see it just keep on going up. You know, in my opinion, obviously not financial advice, but it does seem pretty decent. Does seem pretty decent. Let's see. Now I got some of my dark coffee to drink. Cheers, cheers. Let me look at the AGQ, see if there's any difference in the dip in short term or not. Let's see here. if I simulate it. So yeah, this is like my hedge position that I'm hedging with. But yeah, if it goes down a little bit more, it'll be, or if it goes not up, if it goes down a little bit more, that's the hedge. That's where I'd make a little bit more money. So it would be a good hedge, regardless of how low it dips. I could take profit. Then if it goes back up again, I could try to lock in another one and just kind of rinse and repeat and collect some premiums back and forth on this thingy. Kind of makes sense a little bit. Clean Spark, $22 by end of February. Oh, really? That's pretty cool. Let me check it out. Clean Spark. So if it's right now 12.30, yeah. If it's gonna go over $20, that'll be pretty cool in that case. Let's see. I'll add it to like one of my top stocks to trade. Okay, let's see here. No, so 12 analyst ratings on this one: 100% buy, 0% hold, 0% sell. So looks kind of pretty decent in that case. CleanSpark Inc. is a Bitcoin mining technology company which engages in the management of data centers. It operates include College Park, Norcross, Washington, Sandersville, Delta. The company was, excuse me, founded by S. Matthew Schultz and Brian Uber on October 15, 1987. Is headquartered in Henderson, NV. The listed name for CLSK is CleanSpark Inc. common stock. Okay, so it's with the Bitcoin mining type deal. So it looks kind of decent, especially if crypto is gonna go up. This probably will go up potentially with it. XOM was a play today. Oh, I see. Well, hopefully one of you guys were in it, and made some pretty good money with it. It seems like there's just too many AI crypto data infrastructure plays. Yeah, there's so much. Just I guess the safest or easiest. I don't know which one's the safest or easiest. It's probably kind of hard to be in every single one of those. I mean, if you have a lot of money and you can spread out a lot, but yeah, it kind of depends. Thoughts on CRWV? I think CRWV is kind of decent. I wanna check it out here in a little bit, but I kind of like it for long term. Why is it glitching out? It's like spinning and spinning. It's not working. Oh, finally it works. It like glitched out there for a little bit, but like the CRWV. So CRWV Core Weave, I like that one. I have it on my watch list, so it's down today a little bit. Overnight it's up, but long term I'm kind of bullish on it. We'll see what it does. Obviously nothing's a guarantee in the market. Still somewhat of a new company, listed on March 28, 2025, but I kind of like it for long term. Let's see, available. So the analyst ratings on this one: 55% say buy, 42% say hold, and 3% say sell. Maybe I might add a little bit to it. I thought I had some queued in, but it looks like I don't. Like I'll add a little bit for now, because just to kind of see where it goes and what it does. Actually, I do have some of it. I thought I didn't, but I do. I got $5.66 of it. So I did have a tiny little amount in that one. I think I got it like yesterday or something. Let's see, my top three 2026 shields for you, Nicky, are Nike, GEMI, Awesome, awesome. Thank you there, Gamlord 420. I'll add those to mine. Not FA, of course. Okay. Thank you. I'll screenshot this so I could save it. But I'll probably try to add those. Let's see. Nike's kind of decent because obviously went up recently, but like still it's kind of low from where it used to be, and it's a good company. You know. Nike. So yeah, because what do you call it, the CEO of Apple
Tim Cook or whatever his name is, he bought a whole bunch of shares of Nike, so that kind of boosted it up a little bit. But regardless, like where it's at right now and where it used to be, it's a way more expensive stock, especially if you look at like way far where it came from. Imagine if it goes back up to where it came from. That'll be pretty nice. So let's see the 52-week high and low. Let's see what it looks like on this thingy. So analyst ratings on this one: 66% buy, 29% hold, and 5% sell. Nice thing about this one is it has a dividend, 2.54% dividend. I'd say, oh yeah, I want to look at the 50. So 52-week high is 82.44. 52-week low is 52.28. So right now it's kind of like in between, 65.37. So it's closer to the 52-week high, but regardless, if you look at the longer out time frame, it used to be way up higher. If it's ever gonna go back to those prices, but yeah, it might be pretty decent to have. Trade. Let's see. Maybe I'll buy it a little bit right now, and then like dollar cost average on the dips on that one. I think might be pretty decent for the long run. Might be pretty decent. Save some for the rest of us. Save some for the rest of us. I know, right? That's funny. 65K shares of ASST. Oh, really? That's crazy. 65K shares. That's a lot. Let's see. ASST. Strive INC. So I don't think I had that one, but 65,000. That's a lot. Let's see. Add it to my top stocks to trade. So today it's up 17.97. Past week it's up 38. 1 month it's up 14. 3 months it's down 60. Year to date it's up 32%. 1 year it's up 92%. 5 years. So it's fairly a new company. So it's like listed on February 3, 2023, looks like. But yeah, I mean, if you guys think it has some good potential, you guys know more about this company than I do. Obviously, I'm kind of new to a whole bunch of companies, but if you guys think it might be worth it, I could DCA into it too potentially, and hopefully it works out, right? Hopefully it works out. But right now, because it recently went up, I'm not sure if it still has the momentum towards the upside. I could add like a minimal amount for now, and then if it does dip, fractional shares, okay, dismiss. I'll buy a whole share because it's not that expensive. Buying shares. Well, it's kind of cheap. Maybe I could just get 5 shares of it and see what it does. 5 shares, so it's 525, whatever. So let's do that. Okay, so I bought a little bit of that. So trade, buy, change this back into the dollars, move out of that. But yeah, we'll see how it does. Hopefully it does pretty good. It used to be like way lower. We'll see what it does. Hopefully it does pretty good. And then DCA potentially in it. Tell all your friends. I know, right? Make everybody buy it, right? That's funny. Wow, Jada, if I told everyone about your secret weapon, sorry, secret weapon. Oh man, and NIBS or NBIS, one of those. It goes up with Bitcoin. Like, oh, okay, I see. Makes sense. Thanks for that info there, Jada. Yeah, because your bags are packed. GGWP. Bags are packed, I know, right? NIBS. So let's check out NIBS. NIBS. So it doesn't have the NIBS, right? It's not here. Maybe it's either one or another, right? Or you guys said, let's see, or NBIS, right? Or either or from what it sounded like. Nebius Group. Yeah, I just looked at this one. So I queued in the order and I have it on my watch list. But I kind of like it for a long run. I think it's worth the risk, in my opinion. Obviously, not financial advice. But in my opinion, I think it's kind of sort of halfway worth it. Do I think Bitcoin will reach 95K? I think eventually, like if we look at the longer out future, like farther out, like I think it will reach over 100,000 in the near, super near future. I'm not sure. Yeah, do you think? Yeah, NBIS. Yeah, this one. I kind of like it for the long run. You know, like it's kind of sort of halfway decent. Kind of sort of halfway a little bit decent. Uh, 96K is strong resistance above that opens door for 100K. Yeah, that kind of makes sense. You know, if it breaks through the resistance, you know, it should potentially be doing better. If dips come 88K. Yeah, either one thing or another, right? Ah, good stuff. Well, let me see. Maybe I could see if I could put on my motorcycle helmet because most the stock market is a wild ride, and I gotta be safe, right? I gotta. It's kind of stuck there. And then I gotta put my sunglasses on. Then do this thingy. Okay, now that I got my helmet, I could flip and switch this back to the stock market thingy, and then because it's the stock market's kind of like a roller coaster ride, so I gotta make sure I'm like very safe, very well protected, you know, right? You think we break new highs this year on Bitcoin? I'm not sure if we break new highs on Bitcoin. We might, but who knows? Kind of, sort of halfway. Who knows, right? Oh yeah, now I feel safer in the stock market. I got my helmet on. You know, it feels a little bit safer. Yeah, yes, I do have a motorcycle helmet. You know, the stock market is a wild ride. You know, sometimes you got to protect your head so that the aliens and the institutions don't know what you're thinking about, so they don't know what you're plotting in the stock market. You know, you gotta kind of those like aluminum hat people. You know, they kind of try to block their head off from like people or aliens reading their minds and stuff like that. Just that type of weird stuff a little bit. You know. But yeah, it kind of is what it is a little bit. Now since I got my motorcycle helmet on, maybe I could do some more futures because I'm kind of a little bit more safe at the moment. You know, more prepared for a wild ride. Hard to say. Daily closes 99.5K makes it possible. Need the dollar to weaken. Yeah, I think the dollar's kind of weakened right now. That's why the gold and silver are kind of going up like crazy. That why it's very crucial for them to take over Venezuela to kind of help save the economy. I think that's one of the reasons why they did that. Just when I thought you couldn't get any cooler. That's funny. Same treating Bitcoin on level two level. Yeah, level to level. Yeah, it's a smart way to put it. But yeah, I used to have motorcycles. I think one of my last ones I used to have was a Kawasaki Ninja 500. I had two helmets. I sold the bike, but I got this helmet left over from it. So, but yeah, it kind of is what it is. But I guess now that I got my helmet on, my thinking hat or thinking protective gear on, I could kind of trade future safer and see what happens, right? Now I could potentially short it better and safer, see what happens, right? Short one contract, see what happens, see if the helmet will work or not, see what it does. So I got the helmet on, see if it works or not, right? Maybe it might make it worse, I don't know. Yeah, me too. Hope it's slowly going. But yeah, as soon as you get in, it looks like it's, I don't know, it's kind of bouncing, but we'll see if the helmet helps to do anything in the market or not. Looks like it's kind of bouncing around a little bit down. We'll see what it does. Oh man, that's slowly going. Seems to always just be a standard lower high. Standard lower high for sure, right? But yeah, as soon as you put on my helmet, it's like dipping a tiny bit. But we'll see if it continues that or not. We'll see if it continues that or not. Might have to bounce out before it jumps too far. Too far. Oh man, it's kind of funny. Kind of funny. But it's weird. As soon as I get into a play, like it wants to go like crazy against that, against what I do. See, like I just got in, and it's like going crazy against it. See how far crazy it goes, huh? Oh man. See what it does. See what it kind of sort of halfway does. And now I can't drink. Now I can't drink my stuff because my helmet's in the way. Now I can't drink my coffee. I gotta take my helmet off. Gotta flip and take my helmet off. Can't drink my drink. Flipping A. Excuse me. Well, yeah, I'll let it do its thing a little bit. I'll probably take my helmet off because I can't drink my drink. Oh. Oh no, now I took my helmet off. Now I won't be protected if the market does something crazy. Now I won't be that well protected if, yeah, see, I just took my helmet off and the market's starting to go crazy against my trade. I don't know, I should probably get out of it before it does something too crazy, right? uh, Kind of funny. As soon as I get in, it does crazy stuff. I was thinking about shorting 4520 on gold. Oh, I see. For like when it hits 4520, shorted from that point, right? That kind of makes sense. That kind of makes sense a little bit. Let's see. But closing above 4450 breaks the bearish market structure. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah. If it breaks the bearish structure, then yeah, it could potentially keep on moving higher. It kind of makes sense. Kind of makes sense a little bit. Well, I guess we'll see what it does. I mean, I'll let it move around for a little bit, and I'll just close it at some certain point. We'll see what it does. Just kind of in it for like a short term type deal. You got to plan your entry and exit, then you don't have to make emotional decisions on price action. Oh yeah, for sure, there, Gambler. You're right. You're right for sure. But I'm in it for whether I lose a little bit or win a little bit. Regardless, it doesn't matter. I'll just seeing what it does, seeing what it does, where it goes. I have to get out, and maybe potentially go long, but it's in a weird area where it just kind of bounces around. Uh, Flipping cheers. We'll see what it does. Okay, now I'll go out of this thingy and I'll go look at some other stuff. Because I'm able to watch it on my other device. If I need to close it, I could close it at any time. I'm watching it on my phone too. So we'll see what it does, where it bounces, up or down. It doesn't matter. It's all flipping green papers, digital green papers, right? Let's see where AGQ is at right now. Simulate the returns. So silver looks like it's kind of dipping a tiny bit. We'll see if it continues on dipping. We'll see what it does. Robinhood charts are no good. You know, Robinhood charts are not the greatest, but they kind of work. You know, as long as they kind of work, it does its thing. Uh, Usually when I want to look at gold, like obviously the futures charts are not the greatest, but if I go and I look in the GLD, for example, usually to get the more detailed ones, I usually go on the GLD, the ETF, and then like I could look at the finer details on that because it kind of tracks it pretty close, you know. It kind of sort of halfway tracks it pretty close, but we'll see what kind of potential move it might have. So on the zigzag line, looks like it's kind of has momentum towards the upside. On the MACD, looks like it's going sideways, so anything could happen on this chart. But if we look at the finer one, on the RSI, it's overbought, so there could be somewhere at some point at least a little dip, but we'll see. We'll kind of see what happens. There should be at least potentially somewhere a tiny little dip here somewhere. Looks like the momentum's kind of dying out here, but it does have momentum towards the upside. So we'll see what happens. We'll see kind of sort of halfway what happens. So on the 1 week, 4 hours, looks kind of decent. And then if I click on the 1 day, let's see, let's go to the super fine, the 1 minute. Robinhood needs to allow options market orders at market open. It hard with limits when market moves fast. Oh yeah, for sure. When market moves fast, it's definitely not that easy. Yeah, some things if they could make it better would be better for sure. Okay, so right now potentially looks like some downward momentum. Maybe even if I could get something out of the trade I got, we'll see what happens. Maybe not, but we'll see. We'll kind of see what happens. We'll kind of sort of halfway see what happens. Regardless, I'm kind of keeping track of it on my other device. I could close it or do whatever with that. Let's see. Maybe I should add one of the random cryptos while I'm seeing what the gold thingy will do. Let's see. CRYP. The tradable ones. Yeah, I quit trading options because of that shit. Oh, I see. Yeah, definitely trading options is very risky. You set the limit, then it moves. You change the limit, then it moves again. Horrible. I know, right? Always moves like crazy. Let's see. Now I could buy one of the ones I don't. Oh, the cyber cat, the cyber kitty, and the cyber puppy world. I kind of like that one. I might get a tiny bit of that thingy. Let's see. Maybe the minimal because it recently was pretty high up. And I did take profits on that one recently, so I'll probably add a little bit of that one for right now. What's your favorite long-term stock? Me or Orderfield? My favorite long-term stock, like I always keep on saying, I'm not sure. I usually don't marry stocks or anything like that. I just get the ones, most of the ones I'm kind of bullish on, at least short term or mid to short term. You know, like I usually don't stay in them for too long. But like I don't really have a favorite. It's kind of hard. Like yeah, it's kind of hard. I don't think I have a favorite. I just kind of buy and sell them, and to have as a favorite, I don't know which one that would be yet. I gotta figure that out. I gotta kind of sort of figure that out. What's your guys' favorite stock? I mean, if I would have one, I would say, but I don't think I have one at the moment. Let's see, get a tiny bit of this thingy. Just a little bit of this thingy. Do you do research for? You just winging it. Sometimes I do research. Sometimes I wing it. You know, it kind of depends. I sometimes I play one way. Sometimes I play a different way. You know, like always kind of depends. Always kind of sort of halfway depends a little bit. Not tomorrow, right now. I know, right? Right now, exactly. That's funny. Oh man. Check out MYRO. Okay, let's see. I can check it out. What's the best one for now? A couple months out for calls. For now, a couple months out for calls. I'm not sure. I'd have to take a look at it. in a little bit. Let me see. Check out MIRO BZIGs. Oh, nice. Congrats there, BZIGs. You're up 20% on your crypto. Hell yeah, man. XRP leaping. Nice, nice. That's awesome, man. Let's see. So check out MYRO. MYRO. So looks like it doesn't have it here, the MYRO. I'm not sure what that is, but looks like they don't have it on here. Huh. That's kind of interesting. But yeah, it's hard to tell which leaps or not leaps, which calls to get for the next couple months. Because like I could show you the ones I got, I can't say which ones to get because obviously everything's risky. See, these are the calls I got. I got SoFi calls. I got like Lyft call. I got like AGQ. I got like Nvidia, USAR, Plug, Silver, SIL. I got a whole bunch of different stuff, but like to say which ones are gonna go up for the next couple months, especially with the weird war thingy and weird stuff that's going on, it's kind of hard to say exactly what's gonna happen. Like for the most part, you could make the best educated guess or decision, but nothing's guaranteed though. With what's gonna happen, nothing's kind of guaranteed. And all the AI shit is mooning. Yeah, it kind of is. That's funny. It kind of is mooning. You can't stop XRP this time, Evil Bear. I know, right? The Evil Bear can't stop it for sure. Let's see, XRP. I used to have a whole bunch more of it, but I kind of sold out, and I got the. Actually, it looks like I'm out of it right now, so I could add a couple of. I'll throw a couple of bones to the XRP, see what it does. See what it kind of does a little bit. Oops. See what it kind of sort of halfway does. Let's see. Maybe we could go. See if I go to the futures. Futures go to the. Let's see. I'll click on futures. Okay, futures right there. Then go to. Let's see. Go to energy futures. See how the micro crude oil is doing. So even with the Venezuela stuff and everything, like the crude oil looks like it's still like today looks like it's still kind of down a little bit. See if that continues or not. I mean, for the week it's up a little bit. For the month it's down. But like it might take a while for it to kind of reflect on the Venezuela oil stuff. Because they got to still invest like billions of dollars into getting more oil out and refining it and all that stuff. Like a whole bunch of work is needed over there. Kind of sort of halfway a little bit. So if I buy one contract, so margin is like 652 or something. Let's see, micro natural gas. If I do one of the micro natural gas, well, that one's 736 margin. Let's see. I may have got out too early. Got out too early. That's funny. It's kind of flattened out. I'd wait for a dip. Oh, I see. Apply digital. Oh, apply digital. Isn't that apply digital probably the APLD, right? Let's see. Apply digital. So apply digital right there. So that thing is, it's up 7.44% for the day. So 20% for the week. 1% down for the month. 3%, 9% up for the 3 months. Year to date, it's kind of up 16%. 1 year it's up 221%. 5 years it's up 75%. Maximum it's up 75. So it looks pretty decent in general. Looks it's upward moving. I might add a little bit in this one just in case, you know. See, not much, but maybe a little bit just to kind of have it on the radar. And then maybe I should throw the paper, see if I should add some more to it, right? Because I queued in one right now, and I could throw the paper, see if I should add some more to it. Let's see, should I add some more to the applied digital? Let's see what it says. Should I DCA some more to the applied digital? So it says yes, so I guess I could add some more to it. Just in case I could add a tiny bit more to it. Not too much, but kind of sort of halfway something. Let's see, maybe add a couple more dollars to it, dollar cost averaging. Kind of sort of halfway better than nothing, a little bit, I guess, right? Bull is a good stock to buy now. You sell your silver and copper. My silver and copper, I think I still have those. Let me see here. Uh, so I still like the AGQ here. I got this one. I'm still kind of down on the AGQ. See if I simulate this one right here. I'm down on it, but like I'm hedging it with my other position. This AGQ, this is called a poor man's covered call or a pmcc or a diagonal. So I'm hedging that with this one that I got here. So if I simulate this one, so I'm up on this one a little bit. So I put this hedge on today. So like once in a while I hedge that one with that. And then I got let's see, I got the SBSW thingy. I got it a while back when everything was kind of higher, so it's down right now. And then I also got the, let's see, got the silver thingy right here. So I got that one. That one's up a tiny bit. So that's all of these are leaps options. So I do have some of them. So the one that I'm down on, I'm hedging it with this one right here. So yeah, I'm hedging this one with that. So we'll see how it plays out, and then eventually I'll take profit at it, and then figure something else with that one type deal. But yeah, it's kind of is what it is now. Shiba moving today. Oh, nice. Oh, the bull thingy. Let me check the bull thingy. Bull. I think I have a little bit of Weeble. I think it's a decent one for the long term. Oh, I do have that one, but I actually, for some reason, don't have it on my watch list. Best dividends at top stocks to trade. I'll add it to that one. So yeah, I do have it. I'm kind of bullish on it long term, but it might take a while for it to kind of go up quite a bit. So I might need a little bit of patience with that thingy. Kind of sort of halfway, a little bit of patience. Let's see what it does. Let's see. Oh, the Shiba thingy, Shiba Inu. Let's see. So Shiba Inu, I don't have too much of that one. $2.93. Currently, what I got is kind of down. Maybe I should throw the paper, see if I should. I think I added a little bit today to this one. But I think I could throw the paper and see if I should add some more to the Shiba Inu. Okay, let me see. I'll throw the paper and see what it says. Should I add some more to the Shiba Inu? Let's see what it says. Should I add some more to the Shiba Inu? So it says yes. So I'll probably toss in another couple of bones. I'll toss that thing another couple of bones and see what it does a little bit. Oh. Let's see. Another couple of bones to the Cyber Puppy, to the Shiba Inu thingy. Hell yeah. Okay, let's see what else here. Let's see what else. Copper, yeah, I got the copper silver thingy. Let me see. I'm gonna check out. Walmart thing. You see how Walmart's doing right now. So Walmart's still hovering around the $112 area. Still like doing the sideways thing. Eventually, I think if it'll dip down to close to around 100, that's where I'll probably maybe do a couple of or some leaps calls and maybe potentially ride it back up. But we'll see what happens to that one, see where it goes or what it does. For the long term, I kind of like that one. Um, Yummy coffee, midnight coffee drinks, and VTS kind of moving. AGNC was one I used to buy on Robert. Oh, I see AGNC. I could check that out here. Let's see AGNC. AGNC. Okay, so AGNC investment. Let's check it out. So I got on my watch list. Let's see here. So it's up for today 1.24%. Overnight it's up 0.14%. 1 week it's up 1.28%. 1 month it's up 4.7 something percent. 3 months it's up 10%. Year to date it's up 3%. 1 year it's up 17. 5 years it's down 28. Maximum is down 44. So recently it has like upward momentum for some reason. So maybe that's a good thing. Let's see. So it has a dividend. So 13.17% dividend. So that's not bad. 14 analyst ratings. 57% say buy. 43% say hold and 0% say sell. So that's not bad. Let me see what this company is about. About AGNC Investment. AGNC Investment Corp engages in the operation of real estate investment trust firm, invests in residential mortgage pass through security. So like kind of real estate type deal. It looks pretty decent. Maybe I'll buy a little bit of this thingy, a tiny bit for now, and then I'll ask the paper and see if I should get some more of it. Let's see. I'll ask the paper, should I get some more of the AGNC? Let's see what it says. Should I get some more of the AGNC? Let's see what it says. Okay, so for some more, it says no. For at the moment to get some more of it, it kind of sort of halfway said no. But it's still kind of cool. Like, looks like it's a pretty decent one. I kind of like it. We'll see what it does. Obviously not financial advice or anything, but we'll see what it does. We'll see what it kind of sort of halfway does. Let's see what time is it, 9:20 something. See Solana. See how Solana is doing. Okay, manage soul staking. So that one's up. I'll leave that one be as is for now. Maybe I should ask the paper, see if I should add to my Solana thingy. Let's see what it says. Let's see. Should I add to my Solana thingy? Let's see what it says. Should I add to my Solana thingy? Let's see. Dude, it kind of landed sideways. More of a no, but it landed sideways. It's like kind of weird. I guess I'll ask again. Should I add to the Solana thingy? Let's see what it says. Okay, so this time it's kind of a yes. So I guess I'll throw it another time because the first one was indecisive. So it's kind of a no and then a yes and a third one. The final one. So is a no. So I guess it doesn't want me to add to that one at the moment. So it kind of is what it is. It doesn't want me to add too much to that one at the moment. Okay, then maybe something else. Then maybe kind of sort of halfway something else. Ask the paper. I know, right? For sure. Pick up some Moodang. Oh, yeah, Moodang is pretty decent. I'll check out Netflix and then the Moodang thingy. See how it'll be like. Let's see. Netflix. I kind of like Netflix for the long run. So Netflix, it's still kind of up to date 0.52%, which is not too much. Overnight up 0.07. So I do have quite a bit of it, not too much of it, but I'll ask the paper, see what the paper thinks. I'll ask the paper, let's see, should I get some Netflix? Let's see, should I DCA into the Netflix thing? Let's see what it says. So it says no at the moment, no on that one. Let's see, let me check out the other one. Netflix, I was right about CVR. Oh, nice, nice. Some Moodang thingy. Let's check out the Moodang thingy. Okay. Okay, there's the Moodang thingy. Let's see if I should get some of that. So I got $1 worth of that, not much. Let's see, let me ask the paper. Should I add to the Moodang thingy? Let's see what it says. Let's see what it thinks. Should I add to the Moodang thingy? So it says no at the moment for the Moodang thingy. It says no on that thingy. Okay, I think I could probably get out of. Go out of that one. Let's see. Let's see what's the next one. Pepe up 70% this week and will continue to lead this one. Oh wow, that's crazy. Because Netflix, I think it still has some more downside. Around 82 is where I want to buy heavy. Oh wow, that's crazy. But yeah, like if Netflix goes down some more, I'll probably get it more in a dip. But yeah, we'll see what happens though. Let's see. So Pepe, let's see what Pepe's up to right now. So Pepe thingy, that's I don't have much of that one, but started kind of today it's down 0.29%. So maybe I could toss the paper and see what it thinks about that one. I drink some of my coffee, some white water. Thirsty. Okay. Let's see. Should I DCA into the Pepe thingy? Let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. So it says yes, I could add some to it. Alrighty. Yes, I could add a little bit to it. Let's see. Buy maybe like add a couple dollars to that thingy. Might be better than nothing. I'm gonna add some water to my mate thingy. Although I'm usually supposed to add some hot water, but instead of hot water, I don't have hot water here with me in my office. So cold water is still better than nothing. Still kind of works. Add some cold water. I think it's still a little bit better than nothing. Yummy. I have Pepe. Oh, nice, nice. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty decent. I think I recently sold out of it, but I think it has potential. I mean, nothing's a guarantee in the stock market for sure, but I think it has some potential. We'll see how it happens. Kind of sort of halfway, see what happens a little bit. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should see how Google is doing, right? See how Google is doing. I think I might have a little bit of it. 1496 or whatever. So not a lot. Whatever I got's like a little bit down. Maybe I should ask the paper, see if I should DCA into it some more. See what the paper thinks. Is it worth it at the moment to DCA or not, right? So if that next 0, 1 to 1, how much will you have made? Okay, man. So if that next 0, 1 to 2, 1, how much will you have made? Oh, I have no idea exactly what you're asking and what it is, but um, the question is not. I don't really get the question. Oh, on Pepe?
Oh, I see on Pepe. Yeah, still, I don't know how much it would be, but I think it would be a pretty substantial amount. But I don't know from the top of my head. I don't know. Let's see. Should I DCA into Alphabet Class A Google thingy? Let's see what it says. Should I DCA to Alphabet Class A Google thingy? Let's see what it says. So it says no at the moment for that thingy. It kind of sort of halfway says no. Okie dokies. So it said no on that thingy. Let's see. Like 30%. Maybe like 30%, right? Oh, you think it's gonna go much higher? There's a potential for it to go much higher. You know, hopefully it does. That'll be pretty cool. Let's see here. Maybe get some ETH, or I got plenty of ETH right now. Let's see. Maybe Bitcoin. I don't have too much of Bitcoin. Maybe I could add a little bit to Bitcoin. Let's see. Should I add to my Bitcoin? I'll ask the paper. Should I add to my Bitcoin position? Let's see what it says. Should I add to my Bitcoin position? So it says no at the moment. It kind of sort of halfway says no. Kind of crazy. I should add like the cryptos that I don't have. Maybe add some of those to my holdings. Let's see here. So it said not add that one, but if I go search, I see search and I go click on, let's see, crypto, tradable crypto, and then I add. Oh, something went wrong. Oh, that's weird. There was a problem loading data. Check your internet and try again. Oh, why is that? Why is there a problem loading data? Like, that's weird. Why is it doing that? Oh, finally it loaded. That was weird. Why did it have problems loading data? That was weird. That was like hella weird. Oh, update app. That could be. Maybe it does need to be updated. That's funny. But at least it was able to load finally. Took a while. Let's see, I'll get a minimal of this thingy. Get loaded up a tiny bit on the crypto stuff. Let's see, maybe get some of this thingy. I think my phone's dead. I gotta plug in my phone. My phone's on the red. It's just about to die. My phone's just about to die like crazy, so I gotta plug it in a little bit. Sort of halfway plug in my phone so it doesn't fully die here on me. Okay, now it's plugged in. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't glitch out like on me like crazy. It's kind of weird. The glitch was kind of weird. So let's see, get some of this. The ones I don't have, just get a little bit of those. Oh, excuse me. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Excuse me. Buy a tiny bit of that thingy. Okay, let's see. Let's see the next thingy here. I think I probably got all of them or almost all of them here. I think probably get a little bit of this thingy here. Not too much, but something. HD Ghost 86. Oh, hey there, HD Ghost.
Again, I want to thank the live chat a few days back. Someone here mentioned SMEP. Thank you. Oh, hell yeah. Hopefully, whatever helped you, that's awesome there, AA Smart Cities. Hell yeah, man. Let's see. I think I got a little bit of everything in the buyable crypto here. So you make sure everything's got a check mark thingy, and then if everything has a check mark thingy, it's good. And then I'll see which ones to add to and which ones to get rid of type deal. So I think it's all good. I think it's all kind of sort of halfway good. Alrighty. Let's see. Drink some of my mate thingy. Uh, okay, so I'll be logging off, guys. I'll probably be back tomorrow. So have a good night. I'll see you guys.